Let's close our eyes and sit in a comfortable position. Let's do full abdominal breathing now. Bring your attention inwards, away from the world, into your body. Let your shoulders soften, your hands resting gently, and now become aware of your breath. Feel the coolness of the breath as it enters your nose, and the warmth as it leaves. Now very gently begin to deepen your breath. Start with a soft exhale and breathe in gently, letting your belly rise like a wave. Exhale slowly. Feel your belly fall and your shoulders melting down. Now with the count, inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And relax. You are safe. You are here. And let this slow, effortless rhythm continue. And let it carry you inwards. Let's awaken the inner fire and clear the toxins of our body with Bhastrika or Bellows Breath. In Bhastrika, we inhale deeply and exhale forcefully through the nose. Both inhale and exhale are active. You sit in Vajrasana or Thunderbolt Pose. So sitting back on your heels, knees together, and letting your spine grow tall and long. In case if Vajrasana is not comfortable today, you can simply sit cross-legged on a cushion or on a chair. And in case if you start with Vajrasana and get uncomfortable in between, The priority is you being more comfortable, so you might sit in a position whichever is comfortable. Let's start. Keep the elbows bent close to the ribcage. Fists would be gently clenched, palms facing forward or inward. And we'll really do it slowly and calmly. And let's begin with a gentle smile. First, just 2 normal breaths in and out. So breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Relax. Deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax and rest your hands on the thighs with your palms facing the ceiling. Get ready for the second round of Bellows Breath. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Relax your hands on your thighs again with your palms facing the ceiling. Let's get ready for the third round of Bhastrika. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and relax. You can now sit back comfortably and be with yourself. We now come to the chanting of Om. Om is not just a sound, it's a vibration. It's the sound of the universe, of peace and presence. Allow yourself to feel it. So chant with me. Inhale. Om. 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 Stay with the echo. Nothing to do. Nowhere to go. just be here in this moment. You can now lie down on your mats. You can use your blanket or your cushion and make yourself very comfortable. Relax your body. May all beings everywhere in this world be happy. Gently bring awareness back to your body. Feel the breath and the earth beneath you. You may turn to your right side. Stay here for a few seconds. And gently get up into sitting. May you carry this power into the rest of your day.